Namaskar students. Today the topic noun. Which I am going to teach as noun. So the first question in our mind, what is a noun? Noun is the most important part of English grammar and it is very useful in English grammar. So let's see definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. In simple word we can say that a name of any person, any person name like Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Narendra Modi and Sachin Tendulkar, and anything's name, book and copy and toy, bat, etc. Any animal's name like cat, dog, mammals, reptiles, birds and all creatures. These things are known as noun. Let us understand noun more clearly with the few examples are the doctor gives us medicine. You can see this sentence. Doctor, we are talking about person. So doctor is a person and medicine is a name of things. Okay. So these two are nouns. And second example, Jaipur is an important city. Jaipur is the name of place and city is also a noun. Students, I hope you all understood is noun. And next topic, types of noun. First type of noun, common noun. What is a common noun? Definition of common noun. A common noun is the common name of all persons, places, animals or things which are of the same kind. It means the words which we are commonly using for same kind or same people, same animal or same places. Let us understood this with the some example front of you. Take care of your shoes, said the teacher. Take care of your shoes, said the teacher. Here, shoes and teacher, two common nouns are given. And next sentence, the cat at the door belongs to our neighbor. This sentence is cat is common noun, door is a common noun, and neighbor is also common nouns. And next noun is a proper noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is the special name given to a person, place, animals or things. That means if we are talking about any particular person, place, any particular object, any particular place, so that is called proper noun. For example, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so this name is particular name, a special name, so is called proper noun. Okay, now this sentence you can see some example front of you. First sentence, Jack knows how to play the guitar. Jack is a name of person. We are talking about particular name. Okay, so Jack here is a proper noun. Next example, have you ever been to England? This sentence we can say England is the name of place, so this is a proper noun. And next noun is a collective noun. A name is given to group of people, animals or things the same kind. Regarded as a single unit is called a collective noun. Example, class, crowd, team, etc. It means किसी भी 3 या 4 शब्दों को किसी एक शब्द में रिप्लेस करना, उसका पूरा मीनिंग को मतलब बता देना, उसे हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. जहाँ हम वन वर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं, वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन का, उसे हम कलेक्टिव नाउन ही कहते हैं. वहाँ कलेक्टिव नाउन का ही यूज़ किया जाता है. यह बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट नाउन है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हेयर इज़ a group of dancers, troupe. A troupe from Africa came to India. Second, a group of singers, choir. This choir sang a patriotic song. Third, a group of keys, bunch. I lost a bunch of keys yesterday. And fourth, a group of cows, buffaloes, herd. My friend keeps a herd in his field. And last example, a group of flowers, bouquet. We gifted a bouquet to our new manager. And next noun is abstract noun. A name is given to a quality, state, feeling or emotion is called an abstract noun. For example, courage, childhood, anger, excellence, privacy, etc. An abstract noun cannot be seen or touched. First, the length of the road had to be 5 meters. Length here is a abstract noun. Second, his knowledge about the earth is very good. Knowledge here is abstract noun. जिन्हें हम समझ सकते हैं ओनली, जिन्हें हम छू नहीं सकते, देख नहीं सकते, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? abstract noun. थर्ड है wisdom, कैन नॉट बी बॉट. wisdom मीन्स बुद्धिमानी. यह यूज फॉर सेंस. So wisdom here is abstract noun. And fourth, every parent should ensure the safety of their children. Here is safety here is abstract noun. And last noun is material noun. The name of a material or substance of which the things are made of is called material noun. Example, coal, milk, sugar, iron, gold, silver, wood, etc. etc. Material noun. Two types of material noun: countable noun and uncountable noun. Can be counted. So countable noun cannot be counted. Uncountable noun. Okay. जिन लाइक मिल्क से हम कई सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, जैसे कर्ड, चीज़, स्वीट डिश. किसी चीज़ से अनादर कोई चीज़ बनाना, हम उसे कहते हैं मटेरियल नाउन. ओके. अब हमारे टू टाइप्स के मटेरियल नाउन होते हैं, काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल. जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं काउंटेबल नाउन, जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. कैन बी काउंटेड बुक्स, पेंसिल्स, पेन, ग्लास, टॉफ़ीज़ एक्सेट्रा. इन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, सो काउंटेबल नाउन. अनकाउंटेबल कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. मिल्क, शुगर, टी, ऑयल, वुड, वाटर एक्सेट्रा. इन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ओके. सो बच्चों, आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो में नाउन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन समझ आया होगा. सो थैंक यू.